So, good evening, guys. It's me again. I am back here at Koilakaray. So, last year we went here by September. It's not really that cold, but now I'm like freezing cold here. So, you can see I have a double wearing. So, anyway, let's enjoy tonight because this is my second time here at Koilakaray. So, I'm gonna enjoy and have a bonfire tonight. Partying inside. And I was surprised, basically. They have a tent outside. So you can see all the surroundings. It's all with the tent. It's so cute. And they have a bonfire as well over there. And I want to sit down over there and have my own bonfire. Last time when we came here, it's an open area. Like there's no tent, nothing at all. So today they put this thing for the winter. So at least it's a lesson cold for the family, for the children. And it's really exciting. I want to sit from the bonfire. So now I'm inside. It's really cold, yeah, guys. It's really freezing. So I'm enjoying right now. Camping outside the Koilakaray. I have yakni, I have hot and sour, and I have the chicken cream soup. Perfect for the cold here outside of Koilakaray. So let's have the hot and sour soup. Oh, it's so perfect. We'll try the chicken corn soup. I still love the yak. Right now, we're going to roam around while waiting for our food. So now the dinner is here. My Afghani boti. Wow. The fatty juice of the beef, my favorite. Always. So let's have the chow mein. Sweet, too much veggies, chicken, everything is ingredients really good. Very fresh. Now this is the mutton chops. I guess they put some cheese on top. The meat itself is melting on your mouth, especially the cheese. Oh my god, love the taste. 100% perfect fun to eat this winter. To eat the turkey kebab right now, like a pizza shawarma, you know, wrapped in a paratha one, in a paratha roll. Really good. The kebab itself is so meaty. A lot of the ingredients. It's so tasty. Oh my God. The meat is really easy to pull out from the bones. So yummy. The white honey. Having tasted all, I'm already full. But really good, honestly. The best part of my dinner tonight is the dessert where the kunafa is. Kunafa always makes my day. Hey, I enjoyed a lot, but I have to sacrifice my health because it's too freezing cold out here. That's why I'm sitting here in bonfire. But anyway, totally was like food was zabardast. Amazing. See you next time. Bye bye.